Welcome to the Media Creator channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mockup professionally. Create a copy of the photo. First step, image, add adjustments, desaturate. Step 2, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Make this value 15 and press OK. Save it as a PSD file. We can delete this layer. Drag the desired logo and adjust its size. While the logo layer is selected, filter, distortion, display. Select the PSD file you saved. Create a copy of the photo again. Choose linear burn and you can reduce its value a little. After that, right-click and click on the Create Clipping Mask option. Select the logo and enter it into the Blending Options menu. Press and hold the Alt key and pull this cursor to the left. You can increase the values from here. I'll try it quickly in a different photo. Subscribe to my channel and click like. See you in the next videos.